Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix CryptPad Spreadsheet not working issues in 2026. So if your spreadsheet won't load, formulas are not working, or cells are not responding correctly, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. A poor connection can interrupt synchronization and prevent spreadsheet features from working properly. Next, refresh the spreadsheet and wait for it to load completely. Temporary loading issues can often be resolved with a simple reload. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can interfere with spreadsheet functions and cause unexpected errors. Next, try opening the spreadsheet in an incognito window or a different browser. This helps determine whether the issue is related to your browser settings. Now disable browser extensions temporarily. Ad blockers, privacy tools, and script blockers can sometimes interfere with online spreadsheet tools. Next, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Older browsers may not fully support all spreadsheet features. Now check whether other CryptPad documents are working correctly. If only one spreadsheet is affected, the file itself may be causing the issue. Next, close unnecessary tabs and applications to free up memory and improve browser performance. Now restart your browser and reopen the spreadsheet to establish a fresh connection. Finally, if the problem continues, try opening the spreadsheet from another device or restoring an earlier version if available. And that's it. You've successfully fixed CryptPad Spreadsheet not working issues. Now your spreadsheet should load and function properly without any problems. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.